successfully executing, then only else block code executing after the for else there. Inside the for loop using break keyword, forcefully if we are stopping iteration, for example, whenever I value equal to 2, then there I want to execute break. Then for loop all iterations not executing, then else block also not executing. Directly jumping outside the else block, outside the for else block. For and else, both blocks there, outside those blocks, jumping and their normal statement if they're executing. Same like that, this one also. So here, while true, like we are writing as while true, like I'm writing here, some statements I'm writing. Okay, so here I didn't created any condition here. Any condition I'm not creating, directly true I given. So then how many times executing these lines? How many times executing? Instead of typing, if you want, you can also enable your speaker and you can talk it, no problem. This is just revision kind of thing.
Infinite loop, sir. Infinite loop.
Then here inside mandatory statements are what?
Increment and
increment or decrement. That is the point you have to remember. Okay, here if any expression or condition if there, then we can use increment or decrement. Using them, we can make it this condition as a false. But directly I given true only, so we are unable to make it this one as a false. Then how we can stop this iteration? Inside this, some conditions we can write. If condition satisfying, their break keyword you can use. Whenever break keyword statement executing, then terminating. Otherwise, infinity times of loop repeating infinity times. Okay, na? So here directly if true is there, increment decrement statements are useless here. So directly condition, and if condition satisfying, break keyword. Using break keyword, we can stop this iteration. Otherwise, again and again repeatedly executing. If any condition is there here, expression or condition, so if it is a true returns, then executing. So we have to make it these things as a false by using either increment or decrement. Okay, na? So remember, inside the while loop, if a break keyword not executing, break keyword statement, and if any condition there is a while followed by condition inside, and using increment or decrement, loop again and again repeating, okay, na? Until that condition becoming like a false. So without break keyword, until condition becoming like a false, if while loop executing, it means successfully executing. Then jumping to else block. Okay, na? So without making the condition becoming like a false, without condition false, then inside the while only if we are using break keyword, then else block not executing. So those all prepare well, guys. For else, while else related important. Only for, only while, like not asking. And difference between break and continue is a very, very important question. Only these two things. Okay, so prepared for that. So totally here the 3 keywords we are using. Actually, here multiple keywords there. So here the discussed 3. In function return keyword we are using, that is also transfer statement only. Function result returning to separate place somewhere, wherever we are calling to their returning, means one place to another place, jumping cursor. This is also written transfer statement only. Okay, no? But for discussing this, the function concept knowledge required. That's why here I given count without giving here. Okay, now? So this all I explained the keywords related. What is the purpose of this pass? Pass is a keyword. Where we are using?
In the method, sir. In a method, just you passing the true condition.
Any other areas? Only in method only using. Inside the function we can use, inside the method we can use, inside the class we can use. Inside the class we can use, inside the if block, else block, for block, while block, wherever you are using block statements, using the column symbol, there if you don't want to write any statements, simply you can use pass. So for example here, if 10 greater than 5 column means indentation statements required, minimum 1 statement, maximum n number of statements, but I don't want to write any statement, then simply we can write pass. And now here, whatever the statements you want, you can create here. First else condition we are checking, is it executing or not? Okay. For example, here 15 I'm giving. If condition false, then else required to executing. So else executing or not, we are checking. If yes, then later condition if true, here what we want to do like that, we are hitting. Okay, it is like a placeholder. It is like a placeholder, temporarily placeholder like we can use. Okay, when coming to the functions here, def keyword, return keyword, global keyword, non-local keyword, lambda keyword. So far we used. For example, if you know generator concept, generator functions, their yield keyword also we are using. So I didn't discuss that one. That's why I didn't given that name here. Okay, na? So in generator functions, yield keyword also we are using. In decorator functions, no keyword, syntax we are using @ symbol syntax on top of the current function. Okay, when coming to the modules, so here import keyword, from keyword, as keyword, 3 keywords we are using. And using import keyword, using from keyword, how we are importing, using as keyword, alias names we are creating for our module or for our properties. 3 keywords we use. Totally, these all if counting how many coming, check it. 2 and 2, 4 and 3, 7, 8, 9 and 12, 12, 14, 17, 17, 20, 25 keywords so far. After the modules, what we discussed, guys, chapter, up to here, core Python, guys. In core Python, only 25 keywords we discussed. Out of this all, any keyword related, if you are having doubt, what is the purpose of that keyword, you have to check. Maximum, maybe people are getting doubts related to these 2 keywords out of these 25. So here, where I used these keywords, in nested functions concept I used outer function, inner function, like number of programs I explained. So local variable scope, if we want to convert as a global scope, we can use a global variable. And outer function there, inner function there. Inside inner function, if any variable is there, this variable scope, if we want to make it available to outer function, then we can use a non-local. I given a number of examples. Anyone wants, open my functions related program, not material, program. So in that number of programs I given using global and non-local, check it out. So next here, after the modules, file handling discussed in advanced Python file handling concept. So here any new keyword used or not? Any keyword used or not? Let me know. Which one?
With the keyword, sir.
Very good. With keyword. Any other? So here the as keyword also using with the keyword file object creating purpose, as keyword also we are using, but as here counted, that's why no need to count here. Okay, in file handling only with as we are using. Some people open a method also keyword like they are telling. Okay, that is not a keyword. Open is a function. By using the open function, we are going to open a given file name with required mode. If it is a read mode, given file name must be available. If not available, file not found, error coming. So like you have to cross check it, guys, every topic when you have free time. So here just file handling related one keyword. So how many coming? Now 26. Up to here the module 25 there. Here onwards we'll count it, no problem. After the file handling, which topic discussed? Exception handling. Exception handling. So did I use here any keywords?
Rise
Here number of keywords used. Come on, let me know. Okay, someone given rise. Any other?
exception,
Exception.
try catch, exception.
Yes, try, catch Java.
Except.
Except. So generally in our education, guys, try catch like we are habitating. So directly in interviews also try catch like saying, but in Python try except, else, try except else, finally, and as this all we are using here. So here else repeated already, as also repeated. So new keywords, how many there here? 4 there. Try, except, raise, and finally. So remaining 2 repeated. So 4 keywords here. So 25 up to here and here the 5. Totally 30 keywords up to exception handling. Are you clear? And next, after exception handling, what used? File handling, exception handling, database communication I used. In database communication, any new keywords used or not? In database communication, using Python script, we are interacting to database. For that, one Python script we are creating, there using import keyword, we are importing required database connection related module. But import keyword already used here. So no separate keyword, no separate keyword in database communication. And later OOPS concept discussed. In OOPS concept, any keyword used? OOPS concept.
@ static, @static.
Those all are decorators. At the rate means decorators. Just now here explained decorators. Class is the keyword. By using the class keyword, we are creating our user defined classes. That is main fundamental. In OOPS concept, what are the keywords? At least you have to tell this one. And the object is not a keyword. That is a concept. Method is not a keyword, concept. Self is not a keyword, that is a parameter. CLS, that is one parameter. So in OOPS concept, only one keyword, class keyword. That's it. The chapter is big chapter. Almost 1 week days discussed with one keyword only. So no final keyword. In Java, there final keyword. In Python, we don't have final. Finally, only there. So del keyword, anywhere we can use. Already del keyword I given here starting only. Here I given del keyword. So this del keyword, if you want in data types also you can use. But in Python data types, almost 10 days we discussed data types. So there separate keyword not used. But if we want all the keywords, we can use there. By checking condition, we can delete elements and all like that. Okay, na? So only one keyword here. So now here 31 keywords, guys. So remaining how many pending there? 4 keywords. Remaining pending keywords 4 there. So one is in the generator concept you are getting, that is the yield keyword. Okay, and other keywords there. So first of all, open the ideally how we can display all the available keywords. So here first import the module, guys. Keyword module can import, and now here keyword of KW list. Then all